Waymo has reached an inflection point. Alphabet, the parent company of Google and Waymo, has announced a $5 billion investment in Waymo to enable Waymo to continue to expand. Alphabet must be confident that Waymo is on a trajectory to becoming a real business. Other factors have come together for this inflection point too. Waymo's 6th generation hardware package is going to be installed on vehicles from Zeekr, a Chinese EV maker. While these vehicles have some commonality with another Zeekr product, an EV minivan, these new vehicles are closer to being completely purpose-built for robotaxi use. The steering wheel has been deleted, for example. It took 7 years and billions of dollars for Google and then Waymo, formed as a separate subsidiary of Google's parent, Alphabet, to get from a first journey without a safety driver on board to here. Where's here? Here is where Waymo goes from proving that it can provide a robotaxi service 24/7 to 3 major cities to scaling up and aiming for a positive contribution to Alphabet's bottom line. Unless Waymo's business plan plausibly makes these goals achievable, it is unlikely Alphabet would invest in a wider rollout. Almost simultaneously with Waymo's announcement, GM announced that it would not be building a purpose-built vehicle for Cruise, GM's robotaxi venture. Kyle Vogt, the founder and ex-CEO of Cruise, who resigned following an incident where a Cruise vehicle struck and dragged a pedestrian, sharply criticized GM for backing away from what he asserted was a leading position in robotaxis. Kyle Vogt's disagreement with GM is probably a juicy topic for another video. Now there are a bunch of GM executives running Cruise. They got installed prior to Vogt's resignation. I bet there's a classic case of a founder being pushed out on the one hand, and some shenanigans about how autonomous really gets on the other hand.